I'll do the pictures after the conference 150%. Thank you so much, Manashi. Thank you so much, Tanya. And that was really sweet, Manashi. I'm super. They want me to sit down because. So I have been associated with the Femina Women of Worth Awards since the very beginning, and you've been seeing me at the press conferences every year. And every year we're trying to, make it better, and we're trying to make it more worthwhile. I think that's the best way to put it. And to award women who are, exemplary in their field. They're doing something for society, for culture, for Indian society, for Indian culture, and trying to be women who are just extraordinary. And so thank you guys, and thank you guys for being here, and please cover this really, really well because this is worthwhile.
Thank you.
एक एक्ट्रेस बनना है
जी, मैं आपके जैसे नहीं थी। मुझे पता नहीं था बचपन में कि मुझे एक्ट्रेस बनना है। पर जब मैं 17 साल की थी, उसे अभी आप बचपन ही कह सकते हैं अभी, नाउ दैट आई लुक बैक ऑन इट। हाँ, तो तब मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली संजय बंसाली के साथ एक्ट्रेस बनने की। और जब मैं सेट पे गई और मैंने अपना पहला शॉट दिया, तब मुझे पता चल गया कि ये मेरा प्रोफेशन होना चाहिए। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। बहुत कठिन काम है, बहुत टफ काम है, मेंटली, इमोशनली, फिज़िकली बहुत ही एग्जॉस्टिंग काम है, पर सबसे सेटिस्फाइंग भी है मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि मैं अपने प्रोफेशन से, अपने आर्ट से मुझे बहुत लगाव है, मैं उससे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ। तो जो काम आपके पास है उसे करो, ज़्यादा सोचो मत, नहीं तो जैसे हम कहते हैं जो डर गया मर गया। तो सिर्फ काम करते रहो, और हौसला रखो कि आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हो। आप सच्चाई में आपकी जो भी मॉरल्स हैं सब वो ठीक है, आप सच्चा काम कर रहे हो, आप ऑनेस्ट काम कर रहे हो। तो ऑनेस्टली जब एंड ऑफ द रिज़ल्ट जो आएगा वो ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट आएगा। एक दो ऐसे अप्स एंड डाउन्स होंगे, पर उससे ही सीख सकते हैं।
आप किससे पूछना चाहेंगे?
एक सवाल तानिया जी से था, मतलब बहुत सारे सोशल इश्यूज होते हैं, तो आपको कौन से टॉपिक पे लिखना ज़्यादा पसंद है और क्यों?
सेट इनिशियली कि एक्ट्रेस बनना है, पढ़ाई नहीं करना, व्हाट इज द पॉइंट?
बट हर एक की एक स्ट्रेंथ होती है, आपको अपनी वो स्ट्रेंथ फाइंड करना होगा, ढूंढ के निकालना होगा और उसके ऊपर फोकस।
Prepare for the role.
I shopped a lot. Okay, not just joking. That's a joke. It's a joke, guys. Please don't take that seriously. Okay. No, Aisha is based on a book by Jane Austen called Emma, and it is one of my favorite books. It's about a spoiled brat who doesn't do anything with her life and thinks it's a society brat who discovers herself. It's a coming of age story, and at the age of 23 when I did that film, it was a perfect film to teach me what actually matters in life. And that's love. Love makes the world go round. Honestly, I know it's a very cliche answer, but I saw the reruns of the Oscars last night. Okay? And there was this amazing woman called Meryl Streep who was sitting there and clapping and beaming for each and every person who won, and her humility just shone through. And she definitely is a living legend. She's an actor. Besides being an artist, she also has a successful marriage in the film industry. That's unheard of in India and abroad. And I think that's brilliant. So she's a wife, she's a mother, and she is a professional who has won the most amount of Oscars and been nominated the most amounts of time, and she is brilliant.
और बहुत उससे आगे उनको क्या क्या फ़ायदे हो सकते हैं ये
बहुत बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि मेरी लाइफ में मेरी लाइफ में कोई रिग्रेट्स नहीं होने चाहिए, पर मेरी सबसे बड़ी ये रिग्रेट है कि मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट की नहीं। और इस साल आई एम गोइंग टू फिनिश माई ग्रेजुएशन दिस ईयर। आई एम going to fill in the forms and I'm going to get my undergraduate degree in literature, etc. And for me it's one of those things that I regret the most, because the people who I meet who are educated, way more educated, I might be more well read than they are, but they're way more educated than I am, and for me that's always a deterrent. I feel like I could have learned so much more. I feel like I could have been wiser where my work was concerned. You know, everybody says, but did you use those math equations at work? But that applied logic, my mom was not happy at all, because my mom's side of the family are doctors, engineers and bankers. We come from a Sindhi Amal family where it's only about education, and so she was extremely disappointed. My mom was a graduate of St. Xavier's and she got some 96% and she was like ridiculously smart in economics and stuff. She wanted to be a lawyer, all of these things. My dad was also in Xavier's, but he dropped out, and he met her in Xavier's, St. Xavier's, and obviously to get into St. Xavier's you have to be smart, but my dad didn't end up finishing college and he became an actor. So my mom was completely against it, but my dad always regretted not finishing college, and he said, well, you'll regret it later. But my parents are not, they don't browbeat you into doing anything. They'll never say you have to do this. They'll always give me a choice, saying that we are not happy with you doing this, but if this is something that you really want to do, then go ahead and do it, because they feel that no matter, you have to learn your lessons by yourself. They can just show you the correct path and give you the options and tell you the choices and say that this is what is going to happen in our experience and this is what's not going to happen in our experience. And at the end of the day, they give you the choice, especially after you're 18 years old, you're an adult. So I made the choice, and I'm doing okay, honestly, but I'm doing fine. But I regret it just for my own personal growth. I feel as a person, I would have been better off if I was more educated. And it's not like you can't study later on in life. I'm going to be studying through correspondence. So I'm going to be finishing my graduation. It's not like I am, but you know, I would have loved to have that college life and like be outside college instead of inside it, all those things. So that would have been fun.
Universities that you're looking at?
Well, right now just Bombay University.
Career span hota hai, that is like, you know, little
That's
less.
not any, I don't think that's true anymore.
Khan, we can say, like, you know, still they're romancing.
Tabu is still doing.
But not in a main.
Madhuri is still there. Sridevi is still there. Rani Mukherjee is still there. Kajal is coming back. Aishwarya is still there.
But you know, when it comes to films, the number of films and the popularity, the male
Bhabhi ka role
payments
hai,
money-wise.
oh yeah,
I mean, I don't think that's true. That's not true anymore. That is not true anymore. Especially with the last year, the slate of films that happened, the female-centric films were way more successful than the male-centric films. Whether you're looking at Queen, Khoobsurat, Mardani, Maricom, Highway, Lunchbox, any film that you look at, they were all. I don't think that's true anymore. I think instead of trying to constantly put our country down and constantly trying to put our industry down, we also have to see the achievements of our country and our industry. We are moving forward. I have the opportunity this year to be working on some of the most amazing films where women play the central character. I don't know much about the budget, so I don't think it's right for me to comment on something that I don't have complete information on. It'll make me... Little information is always dangerous information.
Everybody,
Thank you. Thank you so much.